I've never known someone like you. Tangled in love, stuck by you. Found a clue. Don't forget to kiss me.
Good morning, class. Our topic for today is identifying the main idea and supporting details. Are you ready to learn, class? That's great. Before we start, who is absent today? Okay, let's start our lesson. Yesterday, we talked about fantasy and reality. Do you still remember, class? Very good. Let's read a short paragraph. Dog are loyal animal. They guard home. They play with children. They helps people. So, what is the paragraph mostly about? Very good. The paragraph is all about a dog. Class, let's read this short paragraph again. The sun gives us light. It helps plants grow. It keeps us warm. What do you think the paragraph is mostly about? Very good. It's all about the sun. The big truth here is about sun. That is the main idea, the sentence that tell us what the sun does are called supporting details. Do you understand, class? Very good. Now, let's try another one. Rice is the main food of Filipinos. It is eaten every day. It gives energy to people. What is the main idea here? Very good, class. Rice is the main idea. Rice is the main food of Filipinos. Rice is the main food of Filipino. That is the main idea. Now, I will give you a short text. Read carefully and underline the main idea, then circle the supporting details. Remember, class, the main idea is the big toe. If the details are the smaller pieces that support it. Now, I give you an activity by group, identifying the main idea and details in your own paragraph. Class, when you read a short story or a message, why do you think it is important to know the main idea? Okay, so we understand the text better. The main details tells what the text is mostly about, and supporting details explain it. Do you understand? That's great. When we focus on the main idea, we become better readers. We also learn to focus on what is important in life. Do you agree, class? Very good. So, that ends our lesson for today. Goodbye, class.